Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So it will be really simple and easy. So first thing first, it's important to note that while there is a method to recover deleted emails, it's not guaranteed to work every time. Once emails are permanently deleted from Google servers, they are gone for good. Still, it's worth giving this method a try. So let's dive in. Start by logging into your Gmail account. Check the trash folder from the left hand side menu to see if you are missing emails ended up there. If you don't find them, head over to Google and search for Gmail messages are missing. Check on the link that says Gmail messages are missing computer. Here select your device, choose computer, scroll down until you see most of my emails are missing and click on it. From there, you will find an option that says we can help find your missing emails and secure your account. Click on it to open the Gmail message recovery tool. If prompted, log into your account and click continue. The tool will guide you through the recovery process and display the recovery results. If you see a message saying unfortunately your missing emails are permanently deleted, we can get them back. It means the emails are gone for good. However, if there is a chance to recover them, the tool will provide further instructions. Give this method a try and let's see. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.